We'll start this project with a large brush and yellow paint. We'll create a yellow circle in the middle of the artwork. You can dip your brush in orange and paint a round yellow circle. After wiping your brush with paper towel, you can dip it in yellow and blend yellow and orange. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in red paint and cover the rest of the artwork. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in orange and blend red and orange. We'll switch to a medium-sized brush and black paint. We'll paint an arch by connecting both lower corners of the artwork. Now you can paint everything below this outline. We'll paint an outline for the largest pumpkin on top of the hill. Then we'll add a smaller pumpkin on each side. Now you can switch to a smaller brush. We'll paint 2 triangle eyes for the largest pumpkin. We'll add a smaller triangle for the nose. To paint a mouth, we'll create 2 zigzag lines connected on both sides. Now you can paint the whole pumpkin in black paint around eyes, nose and mouth. To make the other pumpkin a little different, we'll paint eyes and nose more rounded. To paint a smile, we'll create 2 arches connected on both sides. You can cover pumpkin in black paint around eyes, nose and mouth. We'll add 2 small square teeth, one on top and one on the bottom. To paint eyes for the third pumpkin, we'll start by creating 2 straight lines. Then we'll add arches on the bottom. We'll make the same upside down shape to create a nose. Next we'll create an outline of an oval mouth. Now you can paint in pumpkin around eyes, nose and mouth. We'll add a curly stem on top of each pumpkin. Next, we'll start painting a cat. We'll begin by painting a large arch on top of largest pumpkin. We'll create another arch on top, then we can paint in space between two arches. We'll add two more lines, one in the front and one in the back. We'll paint an oval head on the right side. Next, we'll create an outline for two almond-shaped eyes. You can paint in the rest of the face. We'll add two triangle ears on top of the head. Using tip of your brush, you can add 3 thin whiskers on the right and left sides of the cat's face. Next, we'll paint cat's tail on the left side. We'll add a spiral at the tip of the tail. Using tip of your brush, you can add a straight line in each eye. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.